Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can make a clean home screen on Android. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you can remove the apps from the screen, not from the phone, but just screen. So we have here, if you long press the app, here you have two options. This one is more info, and the second one is that you remove from here. Now here is still, if you see it, app mail, it's still available, and we can do for all of these apps here the same thing. And how this is how we will clean our um, home screen like that. Now we can long press on our screen and it will show up here in the bottom. You can see wallpaper, effects, widgets, settings. So we can click on wallpapers. It will open up the settings for wallpapers. And we can set this thing. Other, we have effects. So we can blur, if you see. Then we have widgets. So if we don't want the apps on home screen, but we want the widgets, we can add them here. So maybe for music, we want a widget for music, and let's say put it right here. The second widget we want maybe is, let's say, notes. So we will create a note here and put it like that. And yeah, this is how we can organize our screen. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.